Photoshop tricks you didn't know. Today, I will show you how to turn your art from this to this with 3 game-changing tips. Watch till the end. The last is wild. Number 1. Using textures. They add extra details what fills the compositions. Work great on text and floor. Makes our piece more interesting and eye-catching. Here are examples. This halftone effect, grunge overlay, and dust. You can put them anywhere. And in most cases it works very well. You can download the textures I use on my Instagram absolutely for free. Using colors from the opposite side of the color wheel. For example, in this artwork I use red and green. Here, yellow and purple. And on this poster, orange and blue. This makes the colors eye-catching and perfectly balanced with each other. And most important, camera raw filter. To apply it, we create a new layer and use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to merge the current work into one layer. There are plenty of options, especially important is color grading, detail and sharpening, as well as basic tab. With this you can turn good into amazing. That's what I call a game changer. Here are some examples of what the camera raw filter is able to do. Soon there will be videos on the channel that will change your work forever. So subscribe with the bell and like this video. Thanks for your support.